Asha Tafmani must be reminded that the Zimbabwe National Army will not be abused, privatized, or mistaken as a personal force for any businessman or political sponsor. The ZNA belongs to the people of Zimbabwe, not to FAS, not to KUTYA, and not to any economic cartel. Tafmani belongs to KUTYA's faction. Sadabina mashu kubrachi uya tiona karna mjati anachichika magaga mambishi achivava pamsoro pa Tafmani. Turbo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. TP na mnamobda kwa mchinzi. I state clearly and without apology that the Tafmani is acting in the interest of KUTYA. Hence the sudden promotion and the return to the barracks. Zimbabweans are not blind to the patterns of capture, influence and loyalty that have looted this nation before. Our country will not be handed over to those we regard as economic predators. Zimbabwe is not a commodity to be transferred through money, uniforms or staged succession plans. Nyeperanai ikoko na chamisa wenu. There is no 2028 coronation for Tagure. Zimbabweans reject fake prophecies, religious manipulation and political theater raised up as divine instruction. Attempts to sanctify power through figures like Hubert Angel are deliberate deceptions meant to specify a suffering people. There is no God in looting, intimidation, or electoral fraud. There will be no participation in another sham election where outcomes are predetermined and opposing leaders are expected to walk away quietly. Let it be known, these delusions will be resisted, exposed, and rejected. Zimbabwe belongs to its citizens, not to financiers, prophets, or captured institutions. Zimbabweans will fight to keep their freedom. The government is there to serve the liberties of the people, not to restrict them. The people are the sovereign authority, not a government or Asha Tafmani be warned. Doma shukano budanyo gwapangwa inoi na kirna mjati pina comment section medu za funguro aim to deep on subject ko ish. So subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.